Hey, are you looking for the best free IELTS apps for the purpose of higher education, employment and global migration, but still confused about what are they and where to get them? Now you need not worry about that, as this video will clarify your confusion regarding different IELTS apps. These apps will surely help you in your IELTS preparation. You can get them and download these apps from App Store. Hi, I'm Pradeep and you are watching Think Tank. Please watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel and have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get notifications for the latest updates.